with this 2015 Jeep Compass High Altitude, and it is the perfect vehicle if you're looking for something that has leather heated seats, roof rack, remote start, and more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. I love how the chrome really stands out against that dark background. You have that kind of crisscross pattern inside of your grille as well. And then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. And this has a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine, which can get you about 27 miles per gallon on the highway, so that's really great. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. And then coming over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are heated. You have that perforated insert right there, and your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise controls there on the front, and then you have media controls on the back, so you can change the volume or anything without your hands leaving the steering wheel. Then you have your touchscreen media center brought to you by UCONNECT. So you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to satellite radio if you choose to. You also can connect your phone with Bluetooth, phone ready. So you can make phone calls right there. You also have all of your media controls, so your disc and aux port, and you have your menus and settings all on this right side. Your files, USB port, and the aux port are right there. Then you have your climate controls below, and then below that you have a 12-volt, and then your buttons for your heated seats there, plus your hazards and your traction control. So this is an automatic stick, and then you have your 2 cup holders down here, your park brake, and then looking into your center console, it has 2 layers. This top layer, and then it opens up more to give you an even deeper layer below, and you have a 115-volt right there. And then looking up, you have a sunroof. So lots of nice light and air, and I just love just sunroofs, especially in the summertime. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You have 2 cup holders on the floor there, and then these seats can fold down. So if you need to have that extra space, you can just fold those seats right down. Looking up top, you have your roof rack, lip spoiler on the back windshield wiper, LED tail lamps, and then your high altitude and your 4x4 badging are back here. You also have a remote start on your key fob, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. So taking a look in this trunk, you have lots of room back here, some shelving on the side, and you have your spare tire underneath. So overall, amazing vehicle. You have that sunroof, those heated seats, and if you want to see this Jeep Compass or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.